Hey sisters and brothers, let's get into the product money for everyone. Okay, so this is the dashboard of the product and I am in the members area now, and in this video I will show you the product from inside. I will give you a detailed review about this product and I will show you that how this product works, or what is the base, what is the foundation of this product. Okay, so my second purpose is to show you my bonuses. I will show my bonuses on the later part of the video. You will be given $6,397 bonuses from my side, totally free. I have been collecting this kind of bonuses from so many days and it will be given to you totally free with the front end product of money for everyone. Okay, so let me start with the product now. Let me give you a brief about this product. So this product is all about kind of a video tutorial. This is not an automated software, kind of SaaS service product, kind of software as a service product. This is all about a tutorial course. So this tutorial course will learn you that how you can exploit Amazon, or most specifically Amazon Kindle. Okay, how you can generate traffic, how you can get on your content the traffics by exploiting Amazon Kindle, or giving them gift from Amazon Kindle or any other websites. Okay, so this kind of tutorial, this kind of untapped tutorial or underground or maybe secret tutorials is revealed in this product. Okay, so this is the owner guy of this product and this is the dashboard. There is nothing much to show you inside this product. Okay, so let me start with the first option. These options are very basic: home, my account, logout, and then the first option is welcome. This is the welcome video. This is already shown to you. And the next one is method overview, and this will show you that how you can start the method, or this is a like kind of, this is also an intro. And the next option is full system, which provides you the whole package, the whole tutorial package. As you can see, this video is 52 seconds only. And the next one is also this is 10 minutes. This is a landing page video and how you can make this using free startups. Okay, I have gone through some of the videos and it is a little bit clear to me, and these videos are valuable, literally valuable. But I will clear you that what is the problem in this tool on the later part of the video also. Okay, so these are the courses. Okay, they have not put any name to the courses, but they have just maintain a serial numbers. Okay, so the next one is money for everyone, upgrade versions, bonus area, additional bonus. So there is nothing much to show you about this product. This product is all about getting money, getting online money. This is very basic, and this is the principle, this is the fundamental thing of this product, that you can earn online money using Amazon. Okay, this is the product. Now let me show the product review and also the cost, also the upsells and everything, my bonuses also. So this is a meme created by me, and I always try to create meme because meme can easily explain the product, it can easily make you smile also, and I always try to people smile. Okay, so I just love to people smiling. Okay, so maybe my English is wrong, but you can get the meaning. Okay, so this is the product cover of the product, and in this video I have rated the product. And let me show you that content value, it has got 94%, which is awesome. There is nothing much to say inside content value. These contents are really valuable, but inside value for money they have got little bit lower, I mean 90%. Okay, so 90% is little bit lower, and I will clear you that why it is got 90%. And market hits, it has got 91%, and overall it has got 9.2. I never consider market hits inside overall section. And this is the product price. Okay, $17 is little bit higher, according to me, little bit higher for this product. Okay, I have promoted such kind of products before also. That is why from my experience I am talking that this product is little bit higher. Otherwise everything is okay inside this product. This product is also giving you a downsell which costs exactly $12. You can try the downsell first, then you can go to the upsell. Okay, I highly recommend to try the downsell first. If you want to purchase this, you should try the downsell first, which costs $12, and the next and nextly you can purchase the $17 upsell version, the main version. Okay, so this is the launch period. After launch period the price will be risen up. Okay, so you can get the product by clicking these buttons, or there are more buttons like this. Okay, you can go get the product by clicking these, and also my bonuses. Let me show you my bonuses now. These are the owner guys, and I have written here that this product cost is bit high for such kind of product. Okay, so this is the sales funnel. You can go through them. There are so many description written here. It is meaningless to make the video lengthy by telling about all of the funnels or like that. You can just check out if you want to check out. Okay, so these are the sales funnel and upsells and downsells also. Okay, so I have written here that it has also a downsell. As I was talking about, this downsell costs $12, and you can get the downsell firstly if you want to. Okay, so now let me start with my bonuses. So let me just scroll down with my bonuses. So as you can see, there are so many bonuses are gathered here inside one place. Kind of 36 I am running now, and let me show you that how much I have gathered here. Okay, so let me show you that I have put here 50 bonuses. Sorry, so I have put here 50 bonuses, but the surprising thing comes here, or shocking things comes here, that I have put here 300 plus bonuses as mega bonuses. These 300 plus bonuses are kind of also same. I have put here 50 bonuses as an example to show you that what kind of bonuses I am giving you. It is meaningless to talk about all of the bonuses and make the video lengthy. I want to restrict the video to become lengthy. Okay, so you are getting literally 350 plus bonuses within just $17 with the product and also my bonuses. Okay, so these bonuses are also stuffed with like softwares, plugins, SEO stuffs, images, musics, and images are recently I have introduced images. Okay, kind of 10,000 plus images, 25 plus musics, loop musics. They are totally license free, and also these kind of stuffs as I have already told to you that case studies, video case studies. Okay, so everything are stuffed inside one place, and that will be given to you. That bonus package will be given to you with this product from my side, totally free, once you have brought the front end product from my side. So what you have to do, that after purchasing the product, just take it into the mind that you have to go through your purchase history option inside your Warrior Plus account. Okay, once you have gone through the option, you will be given this blue button, and this blue button will give you the access of my bonuses. You have to go through your purchase history option. Okay, I am repeating this, and this was the product review, and I am signing out for the day. So bye bye.